canine unit for one person.
Keep walking, okay?
A canine unit for one person. Look at this. I'm going to go high street shopping to try and see if I can find as many winning products possible in these massive high street brands like Debenham, Selfridges and all them lot. Now this video is going to be a 2-in-1. It's going to be super entertaining because you're going to see me go out there in the high street searching for winning products that you can find on AliExpress, but I'm going to try and find them in some of the biggest brands on the high street. Then I'm going to critique them and tell you what I think of them. I'm also going to be sharing my pricing recommendations, all those other great juicy things. So make sure you stick along, grab some popcorn, grab a drink, because this is going to be insanely valuable. So guys, for those that don't know what a winning product is, a winning product is a product that shows signs of potential, whether it be having 10,000 orders on AliExpress, whether it be getting daily orders on AliExpress, or if you can see other Facebook ad campaigns that have got over 1 million views, that must mean that product is doing something very special. So you may have seen one of my videos where I talk about the top 10 winning products for that month. Now, I'm going to try and see if I can find one of those products in one of those videos out there on the high street, which is what I class as a winning product. So let's get outside and get going.
I miss my nigga, swear all this beef is sneaky. I don't wanna lie, can end up on TV. In the trap, got me feeling so needy. Finesse all I know, all I want is damn VVs. If I told you the truth, I swear you wouldn't believe me. Stuck in the ocean and I swear I be needy.
So guys, we're in Lush at the moment, and as you've seen probably in one of my previous videos, I said that one of the best products that you can do right now is the bath bomb that turns into a rainbow. And here at Lush today, this young gentleman is going to demonstrate that product that I was talking about on my winning product list. So guys, as you can see here, this is exactly as I showed you on the video that I made a few months ago, that the bath bomb will move and it will set off a rainbow effect. And as you know, how well would you say this is selling at the moment?
Really well. It's one of our best sellers at the minute.
So as this gentleman said in Lush, this is one of the best sellers at the moment, which I predicted a few months ago. So guys, the fourth product on today's list is the Rainbow Bubble Bath Bomb. If you look at the AliExpress link for this, you can see it's got 911 orders, 70 reviews and a 4.6 star review. Rainbow cloud bombs, and you can see the main image they've got here is of this woman in the bath, and you can see the rainbow effect of her in the bath. Then it shows a nice picture of the product of the bath bombs, and it's really nice. That product itself is very high end, very good looking, and I feel like that's going to grab people's attention. And if you just look at the images used in the product description, they are all high quality resolution branded looking photos, and I feel like this is just going to grab people's attention and feel confident when buying. And if you look at the color scheme they've used on this product page, they've used those rainbow colors in here. They got like this purpley color effect, and then white and black, and then other colors that go with the rainbow. If you watch the video, literally the video is just showcasing the bath bomb in the bath moving around, letting off the rainbow effect whilst it moves around the bath. And again, it doesn't have any text on it. It's just as simple as showing a realistic video like this of what it can be like when you buy it for your bath. And you can just see people are gonna watch and think that's satisfying, and that is absolutely cool, and I want one of these. So it's a satisfying, very high converting video, and it doesn't need any more than this to get conversions and clicks.
Cause I be on the roads all week, I'm selling O's all week. I don't know why I can sleep, oh yeah. I just be thinking.
So guys, we're currently in Debenhams at the moment, and this is one of the biggest stores in the UK when it comes to selling everything, coming from laptops, kids' toys, absolutely everything. So come here for a second, I'm going to show you something. So do you guys remember that video I made about Twitter influencers, and I did a challenge video, and the product in the video was the self-stirring mug? Come and check this one out. So as you guys can see, this is the exact same product, as you can see here, as the one that I did in my Twitter influencer marketing challenge video. And this is the self-stirring mug right here. And you can see Debenhams are currently selling it for £8, and they're buying it for around about £2-3. So they're making around about a £5 profit on it. And as you guys remember, I think I was selling these for £19.99 on my store, and we sold about 10 of them in the first day. So that just shows you that Debenhams at the moment, just by looking around everywhere, is selling some of the the best selling products during the whole time of the year. I'm going to be taking the viral quarantine Shopify dropshipping product that's made 7 figures in revenue, which is the automatic stirring coffee mug, and I'm going to be building a one product Shopify dropshipping store around it, and then I'm going to be using Twitter influencers to promote the product, and then after 24 hours I'm going to be showing you all the results.
Alright, Cam, I'm going to give you a challenge, yeah?
Go on.
I just thought about it right now. We literally just said put the camera on, yeah? I'm going to set you a challenge.
Go on.
You've got 30 seconds. Yeah, no, I'll give you 3 minutes, yeah, to find a winning product somewhere in Debenhams, yeah? You've got to have a look around, see if you can find the winning product. We're both going to go get one, and we'll see which one made the most revenue. Deal?
Okay.
Deal? Say that
3
word.
minutes to try and find a dropshipping product in Debenhams that's done the most in revenue from what I know of. So looking around, I can't see anything currently here that I can think is definitely from AliExpress and has done a lot in revenue. So we're going to carry on going around the store. Now, something that I have found is this car right here. So I don't know if you guys know, but from last year I was recommending this car. It's the car that goes up walls and stuff like that. So this is one of the greatest winning products from last year Q4, which is insane. So guys, I've just seen something and spotted something over here which is insane. So guys, we've got the moon lamp right here, and as you guys know, again, in one of my videos I've been talking about the moon lamp before, and the funny thing is, it says here in hashtag winning. It's a winning product. It's going to be one of those products that do really well during Christmas again as a gift, and I think that's my favorite product out of the challenge between me and Tyrell. This is the product that I've picked for the 5-day challenge, and it's going to be a 3D print style moon lamp. It's basically a galaxy LED light, and what happens is it changes different lights to change into different looking galaxies. Now this product's had a 3,927 orders in total. It's had 645 reviews, and out of those reviews it's been able to have a 4.7 star review overall, which is great because it means the product is good quality and people are happy with it. Now the thing that I love about this product is, one, it has proof of concept, meaning that if 3,000, almost 4,000 people have bought this and they would have been drop shippers, it means it must be selling really, really well. The other thing that I love about this product is, as you can see, it comes with really good high definition images, really good illustrations you can see here, and if I build a one product store, which I will be doing, you can imagine how professional it's going to look with those kind of images. Something that's a good indicator that I personally like to take on board is a product that has between 2,000 and 6,000 orders tends to be really good products because they're not saturated, but they're currently going through the process of getting saturated, which means if you jump on it at that time, you can ride a wave and generate 6 figures, and that's what I normally use to generate 6-figure stores. Now something else that I did is I ran the product through the AliExpress product URL analysis tool, and I'll be showing you how to do this a little bit later. And basically what happened is, when I did that, it showed me that yesterday it had 41 orders, the day before it had 50 orders, the day before that I had 41, the day before that I had 100, and then the day before that 32, the day before that 79. So it's consistently getting at minimum 30 orders, and it's averaging at around about 40 orders, which is absolutely amazing. And the reason why I love that is because it's consistency and it's just doing really, really well.
Alright, so this one holds a very, very special place with me. This is actually one of my first viral ads as well. So this one, absolutely insane. It allows you to play table tennis at home. Such a basic but such a unique product, and ads were really, really easy to create because there's so much variation of this type of product. It's so easy and fun for people to use at home, and especially now with everybody at home, this might become another winner. Go check it out.
So guys, let me know in the comment section below who won this challenge out of me and Tyrell in terms of picking the better winning product, portable table tennis or the moon lamp. Let me know. But before we move on, guess what I just found in Debenhams as well? If you know, again, another product that I put on one of my videos, absolutely insane.
I just be thinking about the I just fuck your bitch and leave. I just pull up and they ski, oh yeah.
So guys, as you can see, we've got this customized custom gift jewelry here. So let's say you're buying somebody with a name starting with an M, you can buy them this jewelry and gift it to them as a Christmas present. And as you guys know, I'll also leave pictures here. You can see on AliExpress, you can get the exact same jewelry as you can see here on AliExpress, and you can drop ship it during Q4 as custom gift jewelry. So that's going to be the first winning product store. Big company like Claire's Accessories selling custom jewelry. That just shows that drop shipping is a lot bigger than a lot of you think.
Custom jewelry is absolutely taking off right now. If you think about it, Q4 is all about gifting. It's the gifting period. Now, not only are you gifting, but you're also matching that with personalization as well. For example, if we just take a look at one of these products, literally any one of these. So let's go with the custom letter necklace. You can just see that it looks like it has a lot of high quality, which means you sell it on perceived value and the perceived value of the product, and that's what allows you to get such a high margin. Clears, if you just have a look around anywhere this, I'm sure you guys are seeing all the opportunity in selling personalized jewelry and custom jewelry. If you just see like this, these guys on the high street, and you can do the exact same.
Bust down.
So guys, as you can see in my hand, we've got one of the winning products, which is a cat or pet bed right here. And as you guys knows, these sell like crazy during Q4 because people treat their pets just like they treat their kids. So they're gonna buy their pets gifts for Christmas, and these kind of things do absolutely amazing. And you'll see here on the screen some AliExpress products and how many orders they get a day and overall, which is actually insane.
Oh, I haven't just spotted it. Come this way. I haven't just spotted it. We've got all types of these women health and fitness products. Cam, if you remember this was actually on one of your YouTube channels as well. So this is one of those like weighted, what's it called again? A weighted
this
tube.
Thing right here.
The weighted tube.
Oh
yes,
my God.
There you go. You know
this
exactly
thing right here. You put this on your
tube.
waist,
Exactly.
and you move it around, yeah, and you're meant to do some crazy weight loss. And look, guys, the packaging is in China, so that's actually mad. That is actually crazy, guys.
It's a
Again,
classic.
this is another winning product,
classic.
and it was caught on one of my videos a couple of months ago. So that's actually crazy. Product on today's list is the Smart Counting Portable Sport Yoga Hoop Waist Trainer. Now, this is some crazy advanced waist training yoga set product that I've never seen before, and it's definitely going to grab yoga people's attention.
Yo, bitch, tell her what's up now. Your girl won't go down cause we up now. When the field, we scoring shots, no touchdown. I just wanna
Check this out, a canine unit for one person.
Keep walking, okay?
A canine unit for one person. Look at this, a canine unit
Keep
for one
walking,
person
mate.
with a camera. Boss man over here giving me a headache because I was interviewing people with permission with my own camera. My own camera.
Private demise, sir.
And they got a canine unit.
Keep walking.
So guys, as you just saw, we got kicked out of the ball ring in Birmingham city centre. So they've gone from accusing me from filming random people, which I even showed the bodyguard that I didn't even film anybody but myself and my business partner Tyrell, to then accusing us of terrorism and gang violence. So let me go and sit down quickly and explain exactly what just happened. So guys, what happened was we left Debenhams and then we got shouted by a security guard saying, can you come here? And we approached the security guard and he said, look, from the CCTV footage, we've seen you going around filming random people without permission. And then he said to my partner, can I have the camera? And I said, look, mate, that's not her camera, that's my camera. So if you've got an issue, speak to me about it, not my partner, because it's not her camera. So then he felt very defensive as soon as I said that. And I feel like the way he approached the situation was he came to me looking for a problem. And I feel like the reason be is a lot of people in security get bored. So they feel like, you know what, let's just cause a problem to get a bit of entertainment. We're only, what, one day out of lockdown. So people are trying to get a bit of fun out of the system before lockdown hits. And then as soon as he approached me in a very defensive manner, he said, look, show me the video footage. I even showed him the video footage, which I didn't even have to do by law. And I said, look, mate, where in this film can you see random people and me just going up to random people, recording them? I said, look, I've got permission from a business partner to record him. I've even gone into every single shop that I went into. I asked every staff, do you give me permission to record in your store? As you saw in Lush, the guy who even works there was showing us a demonstration on camera. So I just find it very, very funny. Now, in fact, of course, in private premises, you do need a permit to record. And if the guy just approached me in the first place and said, look, mate, it's private premises, you're not allowed to record here, so can you just please stop recording? That would have been cool. But he took it to a whole different spike level. He got a K9 unit and the police to escort me out of the building, and he accused me of terrorism. And obviously with the world at the moment, there's a lot of terrorist attacks going on and whatnot, allegedly. And basically he said, look, it's a high, the UK has risen the security levels. And he said, look, we've got to be careful of terrorism and gangs, because where we're from, the Birmingham, there's a lot of gang violence going on. So he put me in that situation saying, look, you could potentially be a terrorist or a gang member. I'm not even dressed like one, I don't even come across like one. To put me in that little space there, I found absolutely disgusting. So guys, if you want to see more videos like this where I go into shopping centers and try and find winning products throughout the year, let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what shopping center you want me to do next. I could do Westfield. Just let me know in the comment section below after the lockdown which shopping center you want me to do. Also, let me know if you've enjoyed this video, and if you've got any other questions, also let me in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
Fuck on a bad bitch in the trap. We just tryna live lavish. If it's beef, I'll call bro for the ratchet. If it's smoke, we can go, you can have it.